Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Canon Maxify IB4020 printer drivers for your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 computers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice and navigate over to Google. Search for Canon printer drivers. One of the best results should be from a Canon domain, so go ahead and open that up. You want to go and either search in this field for the printer driver, or you can go down and just select printers. Go ahead and left click on it, and select Maxify. Select Maxify IB4020. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down to where it says IB4000 series full driver and software package. Go ahead and select the select button and then select the red download button here and give it a moment to actually download. And once it's done downloading, you go ahead and open it up. Minimize out of the web browser if you want. Should be from a verified publisher. Should say Canon IJ Online Master Setup and select yes. And you can go ahead and select your language if you have to make any changes, and then select the next button. And then you would select the printer connection method from this list, select next, and then you would follow along with the on-screen prompts. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.